As you browse through your favorite Netflix shows, you might have noticed the curated recommendations. Have you ever wondered how Netflix shares these personalized recommendations to you? Let's find out. In today's video, we will discuss essential protocols like webhooks, server-sent events, WebSockets, and WebSub widely used in event-driven architecture. If you are someone involved in API or web development, then understanding event-driven architecture and these protocols is very crucial. So don't miss out on valuable insights. Watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Career Bites. I'm a software professional with more than 20 years of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product-based organization. HTTP request response based data fetch mechanisms involve continuous requests or open connections as seen in short pooling and long pooling respectively. We have discussed these mechanisms at length in our previous video. If not watched, then I suggest you watch that video. The link is available in the description box also. Event-driven architecture takes a different approach by allowing systems to react to events as they occur. This promotes a more efficient, scalable, and real-time communication model. Netflix utilizes an event-driven approach for managing its recommendation system. Events such as user interactions and viewing history trigger recommendations in real time. Event-driven architecture comprises several key components that collaborate to create a responsive and event-driven system. These components include event producers, event consumers, event bus, and event store. Event producers are the entities responsible for generating events based on changes or triggers within the system. Event consumers are the components designed to react to specific events by initiating predefined actions or processes. Event bus is the communication channel that facilitates the flow of events between producers and the consumers. It acts as a mediator, ensuring seamless event distribution. Event store is a repository that records and manages a historical log of events, providing a valuable resource for auditing, debugging, and system analysis. Let's discuss some widely used protocols in event-driven architecture.
First protocol, webhooks.
Webhook is a one-way event-driven communication protocol based on HTTP. It enables applications to send real-time information when particular events get triggered. In a webhook protocol, the consumer first subscribes to a particular topic with the producer. After the subscription, the producer automatically notifies the consumer when new events occur. It is important to note that the webhook protocol is usually used when server to server or application to application real-time communication is required. Let's understand how it works with an example. Suppose you have a continuous integration system or a deployment pipeline and you want to receive real-time updates whenever certain events like a code push, pull request, or any issues occur in your GitHub repository. In this scenario, you can use webhooks to establish communication between GitHub and your CI/CD system.
Second protocol, server-sent events or SSE.
Server-sent events are unidirectional server-to-client server push approach and are part of HTML5 specification. In server-sent events, communication is initiated by the client. To establish a connection for receiving events, the client makes a request to a specific URL. This is typically done using a JavaScript API called event source. When making the request, the client specifies the content type it can handle as text event stream. This is done through the HTTP accept header. SSE approach is mainly used for the notification system, where clients get notified by the server upon update. Twitter, Instagram, and Meta are using SSE for real-time newsfeed updates. It's important to note that server-sent events supports only text-based streaming, making it unsuitable for audio or video streaming.
Third protocol, WebSub.
WebSub presents an event-driven architecture approach for distributed publisher-subscriber communication. Its core components include a publisher, hub, and a subscriber. A hub acts as an intermediary or middleman in the communication flow between publishers and subscribers. It facilitates the distribution of content from publishers to the subscribers and decouples publishers and subscribers, ensuring seamless content delivery. One example of a hub is the Google's product PubSubHubbub, or also called Push Hub. WebSub facilitates multiple clients receiving updates from the same producers with built-in security features. It is specifically tailored for scenarios where timely updates to web content, such as blog posts or news articles, are essential. It is commonly used in content distribution and syndication.
Fourth and the last protocol, WebSockets.
WebSocket protocol enables bidirectional communication between the clients and the servers. We have discussed WebSocket at length in our previous video. I suggest you watch that. In this video, we discussed protocols used in event-driven architecture. The choice of protocol depends on the specific communication needs of your application. Each protocol has its own unique attributes. SSE is suitable for text payloads to clients, WebSub excels in scenarios involving both clients and servers, and WebSocket enables unrestricted bidirectional communication. Understanding these protocols empowers developers to select the most suitable approach for efficient and real-time communication in diverse applications. If you liked this video, then do check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, comment this video and subscribe to my channel. My name is Rupa and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.